Welcome back to day 20 of our advent calendar RC rock crawler build. Day 20. It feels like we've really smashed through this really quickly. But it's taken 20 days. And what does that mean? 5 days left until the big day, and the big guy comes down your chimney, smashes your window maybe, opens the lock on the rear door, comes in, drops you some presents, and maybe takes your car keys and off with your car. Sorry, I joke, but we are only 5 days away from Christmas, so hopefully you all get everything you've asked for. Chances are you won't, because if you're adults with actual adult money, you'd have bought what you wanted anyway. Right, so we are on to day 20. Just here, day 20. So I can almost guarantee with this one, as I have for the last 3 days, it's just going to be a Lexan panel and some screws. I'm trying to talk it up to make it interesting, but I can't make fixing a Lexan panel with 4 tiny screws interesting. I just can't. But anyway, less of that. Let's get on with it. Yeah. Lexan panel. Straight onto there. 1, 2, 3. That didn't work. Oh well. I'll have to do it with a screwdriver. And there we go. From what I can tell, that is the body now finished. We're closing in on being able to drive this thing. We're almost there. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I will say my one favourite thing about any RC car, even if you have to build up, is always the drive. That may sound stupid, but some people prefer to build and then sell the cars without driving them, or build and store them. Don't get me wrong, I love the build, but the drive is where it's at. Yeah, you can put a car through its paces. Now this ain't going to be quick, it's a rock crawler, it's going to be very slow, let's be honest. So we're going to see if we can do anything with the suspension to really max it out. Rear suspension's I say nice. It's as good as it can be. There does seem to be a little bit of binding in the front somewhere. And now the body's on, there isn't much movement in it whatsoever. I mean, you got lots of movement in the rear, but the front, there's not really much because of that front body. But what can you do? Anyway, thank you for watching. On to the next one. Stay amped. Merry Christmas.